wasn't. No. See, Adam and I were born 1.5 months too soon. I turned out pretty good. Adam didn't. The doctor told Mom we had this autonomia. This autonomia? Good. The son party too, with the return most of us absorbed in unity. So that focus vomiting and infection in a mild case of injury remission. Growing up with a brother like Adam, my family definitely had its hard time. That's because he was a little slow. Everyone thought he was complete sweetheart. But I knew he wasn't, and so did I. I was always there to stick up when our school was good. I didn't see it any different at home. Hey Adam, what are you playing? Cars. Oh, can I play too? Yeah, you can be the phone then. Okay, what's your music? Real birds in the air. Duh. Right. Woo! Wow, it's a bad guy. I think I need backup. Adam, I need a tanker. You're fooling. You're gone. Wow, it's a bad guy. I'll bring the ambulance. No, the ambulance is right here. It's a bad fire, Adam. No, the ambulance is right here. Uh-oh. It's wrong, Adam. I don't have to use you. Ew! Mom! A lot of people can take their siblings for granted. But for Anna, her brother Adam was unexpected and unique making she know. Even if he wasn't like everyone else. And Leanna's fortunate my brother and I, who were from with the love of her sister, take full possession of the house. What's all this screaming about? Adam, are you alright? Come in the kitchen, let's get the cleaned up and then have on more supper. Anna, your dad will be home in a little while, so you can run on and play for this. I know Mom does see when she goes in and out of the thing. It's just, Adam's always sick. So she spends all her time taking care of him. It seems like she never had time for me. But luckily Dad always did. At least, most of the time. Hey, one more. Hi, Dad. Hi, Adam. How was your day? It was great. Hey, Dad. Hi, Adam. And how was your day? Dad, there are these boys at school and they are and I told them to leave them alone. What else? They were keeping them in your pain, Adam. But don't leave them in because this kid is always smarter than they are. So don't worry, okay? Yeah, okay. Now let's go get cleaned up for supper and then after our food comes we can continue our listening now. Oh, and honey, when you go up at the hospital again, I think it's real nice to be sitting there. Yeah, we have to take care of the baby baby. What you so worried? It'll be fine, Adam. And don't worry, I won't make you run. I'm back first today. Anyway, you're in help. You know? Mom! Adam is alright. It's not me, Mom. It's Anna. Anna? Anna, can you hear me? Mr. Haley? Mrs. Haley? I told you anything, Dr. Thomas. I told you to go. We both be touched in our diagnostic show that as young as she is and as far as she didn't have progressed, she only has about 48 hours left to live. We know you love each other, and I love the peace. Besides you, heaven is such a beautiful place. Mom talked to me since the girls sitting in the chair next to Dad. I woke up when Adam called me to my bed. You know, Mom and I in the hospital. I'm not sick this time. What you listening to the doctor, Adam? They're going to switch on and say you won't be sick anymore. But don't worry, you won't feel it. You'll be asleep. Okay. Mama, can you still call to me? I just need my pocket. Sure, do I get to be fireproof again? Well, you could be the onion. I thought you were on top of the foot. You have my cousin goes into Adam breakfast, you know? Oh, you can tell it. Oh. Thank you, Adam. Hannah, can you wake up tomorrow? Do you play cards with me? Sure, Adam. When you wake up, we'll play together. The doctor's rolling and Adam down the hall the next morning to the big black room. I was scared as they rolled our bed side by side so I could hold his hand to the doctor. You know what, Annie? You're not Adam. Don't forget, we'll go play cards, okay? Okay, Adam. Can we just together again? Yes. First phone call. The doctor was doing the test with our vet. I just hope Adam knew I loved him. If it wasn't for my twin brother, I would have him every day in a lot of pain. But now, I get to take care of Adam in a way that I never could have. And Mom, Dad, and Adam, and just take the name. Mr. and Mrs. Haley, and it's hard to doing wonders for Adam's life. The buildings are all up to speed and working properly, and the immune system will slowly start to build, getting rid of frequent infections and bottles. And I go say goodbye now, Mrs. White. Thank you, Dr. Russell. Because I know he's still human. And I'm sorry I haven't been there for you. It's just, I thought Adam needed me more. You were always just a little girl. I know it might be a little late now, but I love you, okay? I love you. Mommy, I know how to get through it. If Anna up here, then you're gonna keep calling. Adam, Anna was really sick, and before she went to sleep, she left your present for someone else's better. She did? What is it? It's you. Do you feel it? My heart's better? Your heart. It's her heart. Anna's heart. Do you see